Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is bashful. Bashful is an adjective that means shy, easily embarrassed, and uncomfortable receiving attention, especially when meeting people, being praised, or expressing personal feelings. For example, the normally talkative child became bashful when introduced to the guests, hiding behind his father and answering their questions in a whisper. She gave a bashful smile when the audience applauded her performance, clearly pleased but uncomfortable with so much attention. He was too bashful to introduce himself to the new neighbors, so his sister started the conversation for him. Synonyms for bashful include shy, timid, self conscious, and diffident. Bashful is often used in social situations, introductions, praise, and romance, and it suggests shy embarrassment around attention, not general fearfulness. That's bashful. One word, stronger English.